Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we have a massive update for all aspiring engineers who have applied for the BEL Probationary Engineer Recruitment 2025. Get ready, because the moment you've been waiting for is almost here. Bharat Electronics Limited, or BEL, has officially announced the release date for the Probationary Engineer Admit Card. Mark your calendars for December 13, 2025. That's right. Your hall ticket will be available for download on the state. The computer-based test is scheduled for December 20th, 2025, so you'll have exactly 1 week to get everything in order. This is for all disciplines: electronics, computer science, electrical, and mechanical. Now, you might remember that the exam city intimation slip was already sent out via email and SMS on December 6th. So, if you haven't checked that yet, please do so immediately. The admit card, however, is the final document you'll need for the exam hall, and it will contain all the crucial details like your specific exam shift, the exact center address, your roll number, and personal information. So, how do you download it? On December 13th, head over to the official website, which is BEL India, and on the homepage, find the careers section. From there, you'll see an option for written test shortlist. Click on that, and you should see a link that says Download Admit Card for Probationary Engineer CBT 2025. Once you click it, you'll need to enter your registration number, your password, and the CAPTCHA code shown on the screen. After logging in, your admit card will appear in PDF format. Download it, save it, and most importantly, take at least 2 clear color printouts. A quick tip: if you've forgotten your password, don't panic. There's a forgot password option. Just enter your registered mobile number, and you'll receive your password via SMS. It is super important to download your admit card as soon as it is released and check every single detail. Make sure your name, photo, date of birth, and exam center are all correct. If you find any mistakes, contact the BEL help desk immediately. Let's quickly recap the important dates. Exam city intimation was on December 6th. The admit card release is on December 13th, and the big day, the exam itself, is on December 20th. Now, let's talk about what you need to bring on exam day. First, the printed color copy of your admit card is absolutely mandatory. Alongside that, you'll need an original, valid photo ID proof like an Aadhaar card, PAN card, or driving license, plus a photocopy of it. Also, carry 2 recent passport-size photographs, the same ones you uploaded during your application. For stationery, a simple blue or black ballpoint pen is allowed, and you can bring a transparent water bottle without any labels. What's not allowed? The list is pretty standard. No mobile phones, smartwatches, calculators, or any electronic gadgets. No books, notes, bags, or wallets. Basically, travel light and only bring the essentials. So, what should you be doing right now, while waiting for the admit card? First, keep your registration number and password safe and handy. Double check that your email and phone are active for any last-minute notifications. While you're at it, get your ID proofs and photos ready. Of course, keep up with your revision. Focus on your technical subjects and practice aptitude questions. Mock tests are your best friend right now. Once the admit card is out on December 13th, your first task is to download and verify it. Then, find your exam center on Google Maps and plan how you'll get there. If it's far, consider doing a trial run to see how long it takes. Pack your document folder a day or 2 in advance to avoid any last-minute stress. The exam itself is a computer-based test lasting 2 hours. You'll have 100 questions from your technical subject and 25 questions on general aptitude and reasoning, for a total of 125 marks. Be careful, as there's negative marking. 0.5 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. So, manage your time wisely, attempt the questions you're confident about first, and stay calm. Remember, arriving early at the center, at least an hour before the reporting time, is always a good idea. It gives you time to settle in and go through the verification process without any rush. That's all the key information for the upcoming BEL Probationary Engineer exam. We wish you the very best of luck with your final preparations. Go ace that test. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.